So this is how it looks now. The arms are inside the body, they are above it. And I'm going to try to put the arms below this plate so that they will not occupy so much space inside, so that I can add, let's say, a round cam split onto the top and still have some space to insert those battery straps there. Now it was somewhat modified. Let's remove the top, and now as you can see, the legs, the arms are below. They are in the exterior. Now the bottom is not flat anymore. And now we have more space on the inside. So the arms are below the bottom plate. Okay, and now I can use a longer screw that was provided by my ESC and add these blue ones, the blue screws, on top of them. And when I put the top there, I still have a little bit of space where to insert my battery strap above. And in this case I can fit one board here and somehow two boards there. An ESC 4-in-1 ESC here, a flight controller somewhere till there, and above, let's say, a round cam split. So the legs, the arms were moved below the bottom plate. So if the arms are below, then these shiny nuts cannot enter into that opening which was on this plate, and since there is an opening below this screw, now it's still not moving left or right because that screw has a conical head. So you better replace these shiny nuts with hexagonal nuts because they are much easier to grab.